Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Thank you so much. Today we are here in Japanese fluffy pancakes shop, and we are making chocoberry. It's amazing fluffy pancakes, and look at that, it's very smooth and very fluffy pancakes. Check how we are making. Look at that, it's how we are making that fluffy pancakes, and it's amazing, soft, very like cloudy. And please like and subscribe my video, please. I'm a new YouTuber, you can say, and I need your help. And it's possible to, you can join my channel also, and you can support me by super thanks. Thank you so much. And look at that, watch full video, then you will see the how it's become fluffy. Okay, we are here in us coffee shop in Kuwait. This is the only one coffee shop with fluffy pancakes in the Kuwait. And you can see we are pouring the water here to be cooked nicely, and we will be back after 2 minutes. This is the one, we will flip it to cook both sides. Look at that, what a fluffiness. It's very careful, we need to flip it because it's just egg. Please keep watching my all the videos, and you can get the recipes for the pancakes in my the videos, and I'm posting all the food related the videos. Then we will be back in 2 minutes again. Now we already done. See the fluffiness, it's amazing fluffy pancakes. Look at that, how fluffy, how soft. Please keep watching my video. I again requesting, this is the, we will decorate it with the chocolate, Belgium chocolate on the top, and with white chocolate also. The combination of the white chocolate and Belgium chocolate is amazing. It comes with the fruits, it comes with the strawberry, blueberry and blackberries. It's, look at that, how it's looking. It's a beautiful fluffy pancake. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you for supporting. Thank you so much.